Unlock the full potential of your trading strategy with our advanced Seasonality Analyzer tool. Are you looking to gain an edge in your trading with powerful insights into seasonal market patterns? Our tool provides the analysis you need to make informed decisions. By creating a free account, you get access to analyze seasonal patterns for 8 different instruments. This allows you to explore the analysis options at your leisure, understand trends, and make smarter trades. Upgrade to our subscription plan and unlock analysis for over 30,000 instruments. Gain comprehensive insights and stay ahead in the market. Don't miss out on these valuable insights. Sign up today and start making data-driven decisions with confidence. Click the link below to create your free account. Join a community of successful traders who trust our tools. Your trading journey to consistent profit starts here. Visit Seasonality.ai and register now to start your journey towards smarter trading. Seasonality.ai, where data meets opportunity.